I'm Michigan criminal defense lawyer Aaron J. Boria, and today I'm going to tell you 5 things you need to know about prostitution and solicitation in the state of Michigan and in the city of Detroit. So what are we talking about here? It's simple: sex for money or some other form of consideration. That's what prostitution is. Any person who offers or who engages in the act of prostitution for any form of consideration, money, drinks, a car, it doesn't matter, can be charged with prostitution. The person who offers to engage in the act or the person who offers to provide the act can be charged with prostitution or solicitation under the statute. So what are the penalties for prostitution? Well, a first offense is up to 93 days in jail and a $500 fine plus costs. A second offense is up to a year in jail and a $1,000 fine plus costs. And a third offense is a 2-year felony with up to $2,000 in fines and costs. It's also possible that you could be put on probation, ordered to test for drugs and alcohol, ordered to test for sexually transmitted diseases, attend a moral class, community service, work program, and more. And in the city of Detroit, the penalties are harsher. If you're convicted of prostitution in the city of Detroit, you have to serve a mandatory 45 days in jail. That's right, 45 days jail for a first offense. In the city of Detroit, it is illegal to get a lap dance at a strip club. That's right, even in these strip clubs where every single one of them has a VIP room or some area for a lap dance, it is illegal. Touching any semi-nude person in a strip club is a crime in the city of Detroit. It is punishable by jail time and fine, plus the embarrassment of having that particular conviction go on your permanent criminal record. There are defenses to prostitution. First off, you can't be convicted of prostitution for paying your wife, believe it or not. Second, can the police actually prove that it even occurred? I recently had a case where a client was arrested after he left a seedy motel. The police officer had ran plates and one of them bounced back to a local hooker. The client, when pressured if he was sleeping with a prostitute in the hotel room, confessed, "Yes, I paid her $200 and I had sex with her." He was arrested. We went to court. I filed a motion to suppress based on a lack of evidence. All they had was the confession. They had no choice but to throw the case out. Case dismissed. Even if the police did everything properly, it is still possible that I could get your prostitution charge dismissed. It's possible I could get it reduced to something like disorderly conduct, disorderly person, or disturbing the peace, something that may not show up on a criminal record if you weren't fingerprinted. It's also possible that I could get you put on a delayed sentence, where after a short term of probation, the case is dismissed. I'm criminal defense attorney Aaron J. Boria, and if you've been charged with prostitution, solicitation, or any other crime in the state of Michigan, give me a call. I will fight for your rights. I get results that other attorneys simply do not. 734-453-7806. Call me today.